Hey, what's up you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Welcome to my channel. Just like fried rice, fried noodles is also on my everyday menu. There's so many ways to cook fried noodles, but today I want to share with you a simple recipe. It's called Veggie stir-fried noodles, meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. This cooked noodle can be found at Asian market. If uncooked, you have to cook it first before frying. Other ingredients include ginger, garlic, and scallion. For vegetable, I use red pepper and cabbage. You can use any veggie you like. Cucumber and cilantro add great flavor. Add vegetable oil to the wok. Fry ginger and scallion first. Add cabbage and pepper and start stir and fry. Add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. Add noodle to the wok and start stir and fry. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Add garlic to the wok at this time. Add 1 teaspoon vinegar. Finally, add some seasoned oil. Turn off the heat and add the cucumber and cilantro and thoroughly mix with the noodle. This is the stir-fried noodles I'm talking about. It is easy to prepare and very tasty. I hope you can try it at home. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel by clicking the channel icon on the screen. Thank you for watching. Until next time, you take care.